Here we have our Jacobi Jayne Suet Ball Basket, a durable all-weather feeder for fat balls, which has a fantastic overhanging lid, so any rainwater can fall away and not go near your fat balls. To fill, you simply unclip the handle, remove the lid, and fill with fat balls. I like super suet balls best. Everyone has their own preference. We have super suet balls and fat balls. Why not try both? Then we simply put our lid back on and put our hooks back in. What a fantastic, stylish feeder. And the birds will just love it, so they can perch on all the rungs and get to the good bit.